So here is the problem area. I'm going to use this Cillit Bang and see if that can get rid of it for good, and just keep these windows open all the time. There's just so much condensation. So it says in order for it to work the best, leave it for 15 minutes. So that's what I'll do. So I'm just going to give it a spray. So there's quite a lot of it. So let's see how it works, and then there's just some, put some up there as well. Yeah, it smells like bleach. So I'll leave it and then I'll come back in a bit and let you know how I get on. Okay, it looks like it's come off before I've even wiped it. Like, look at that. Wow, it's only been about 10 minutes. Let's see. Wow, that's really good. I'd say that's just as good as bleach, if not better. That's amazing. Look at it. I mean, yeah, you can see some marks, but I think the paint's a bit crap. So yeah, like, look at that. Nothing there. Let's try there. There. Just give the walls a quick wipe. So yeah, I'm impressed with that. Wow, look at it, it's gone. Look, this is just paint. I think it just needs a good a lick of paint there. So yeah, I'm really impressed with that. And I'll be trying it on my bathroom next. Maybe I should have put some there. I'll probably go back and do that. But look at all that. All that black mould that's come off. Yeah, I'm really impressed with that. It's a bit dark, sorry, but I'm gonna, this house that we've moved into, it looks like they've wiped this black mould away, but you can still see there's a residue. So I'm gonna spray it and then we'll see what it looks like in a little bit. So I've not even wiped it yet and it looks like it's started to get rid of it, so let's wipe it. Yes, it works, it's come off totally. Wow, that is amazing. Look, you can see some more there, what I've not cleaned. That is amazing. Let's see if it works on this, because usually with only bleach works on this for me. So I'm going to squirt it and let's see if it works, because I did use some over here and it didn't work. It didn't work. So, but I didn't film that bit. So I'm going to squirt it again so you can see. So let's see if it's just paint, like, or walls where it works. Oh, and there's some more at the back. So let's see if that works. I'm going to leave this on for the full 15 and then come back. Okay, so let's see. Don't touch Micah. No. Sorry, Micah's just touching the toilet seat. Sorry about my shadow. I've had this on for quite some time now. More than the time that it says, and still it's not gone. Let's see what this looks like. No, I didn't think it was gonna work. Yeah, and then let's try the corner. I think it's an improvement, but it's not as good as bleach. But at least it works on the windowsills. So I really hope that you found this video useful, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and also please consider checking my other cleaning and organisation videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!